friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Ballerina, Cappuccina from Italian Brainrot. So first let's get started with the top of the head, and we're going to start by drawing in a nice big sideways oval right on the top here, closing that off. Now for the top of the cup, moving over, we're going to draw a nice large curved line, bringing this all the way around and then down. Let's close off the shape of the head now. So on the left hand side, we're going to bring this line around and then flattening that out as we come in towards the bottom. And we're going to replicate this on the right. And we're just going to blend that line in together. Let's draw in the bun on the top. So in the center, we're going to draw in a nice big curved line. Let's draw on the cup handles. On the right hand side, we're going to curve this line around and then in, and then stepping above one more time, we'll replicate that. Now let's draw in our eyes. On the left hand side, we're going to start by drawing in a circle. And then we're going to leave a gap moving over on the right hand side and replicating that. Now moving in towards the corner of both eyes, we're going to start by drawing in another half circle, curving this line around, blending that in on the bottom, and we'll do the same on the right. And then now on the top, we're just going to draw in another circle for our highlight. For the eyelash now on the side, we're just going to curve this line out and then in, creating a small triangle. Let's draw on the eyebrow. So we're going to curve this line down on both sides. And then from that corner, just arching this line back around and down. Now for the nose, in the center, we're going to draw in an arch line. And then up above, just drawing one opposite, just even smaller. Now for the corner of the mouth, we're going to curve this line down, creating a small bracket. And then we're going to arch this line over and across for the rest of the mouth. Now let's draw on the rest of our body. So for the neck, we're just going to draw in two small curved lines that come out on both sides. On the left-hand side, we're going to arch this line out and then up. And then on the right-hand side, we're just going to, one continuous motion, curve this line up towards the right. Let's close off our right hand first. So we're going to arch this line around and then in. And then from that corner, just curving this line down for the first finger. Closing off the thumb from here, we're going to curve this line in. And then from that corner, arching this line back around and then up. For the second finger, we're going to curve this line back in. And then one more time, arching that down. Let's come underneath now. We're going to curve the rest of our line in, closing off our arm. Now let's draw in our left arm. So coming over, we're going to curve this line up and then in. From that point, curving this line down. For the thumb, we're going to arch this line around and then in. And then again, curving this line over. And then from here on the bottom, arching this line across. Now for the second finger, curving this line in. And then one more time as we move down. Let's draw in the torso now. So we're going to curve this line down on the left. We'll move up, doing the same thing on the right, just extending this further down, ending this so it's on a slight diagonal. We're going to bring this line in towards a point in the center on the left. We'll do the same on the right, joining that together. Now from here on the left-hand side, from that corner, arching this line down towards the middle. And then we'll do the same on the right, joining that at a point. For the straps, we're just going to draw in a curved line on each shoulder, bringing that over on both sides. Now from here for the tutu on the back, we're going to curve this line down and then in. We'll replicate that on the right. Now coming across, curving this line up. We're going to continue this as we come all the way over towards the right. Now let's draw in some lines for the pattern coming down. So we're going to curve this line down from the center. We'll draw in 2 smaller curved lines coming out on both sides. Let's draw in a nice long one on the right. And then we'll do the same on the left. A smaller one in the middle. And then lastly, just one long one all the way over on the left. Let's draw on our legs now. So coming down in the center of our body for our right leg, we're going to curve this line in. For the foot, we're going to arch this line down and then up. And then from that point, just curving this line out. For the strap, we're going to draw in 2 curved lines that come over on the ankle. And then closing off the rest of the ballet slipper, just arching this line across. Let's draw on our left leg now. So let's draw a diagonal line coming out. For the foot, we're going to arch this line around and then in. And then from that line, just drawing in another diagonal line coming across. Now from here on the top, we're going to draw in 2 curved lines. And then for the rest of the ballet slipper, another arch line. And that is it. That's how you draw Ballerina Cappuccina. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.